How to Firebase is all about building production-worthy Firebase apps for web. Firebase got its start back in 2011 as a Y Combinator startup. It was acquired by Google just 3 years later in October of 2014. The Firebase platform has grown from a fun toy to use for prototype apps to the premier planet-scale app development platform. We're talking about taking your apps from prototype to production without touching the database. Firebase has matured into a monster of a product, and I want to scream from the rooftops. If you're not considering Firebase for your next project, you are missing a golden opportunity. But a game-changing development platform like Firebase has a bit of a learning curve. The Firebase team works hard to lower that barrier to entry, but developers who are steeped in SQL and other NoSQL data stores often struggle at first. So let me be your guide. I use Firebase for all of my projects. I built calligraphy.org on top of Firebase and have run it profitably since 2012. I've built countless custom apps for myself and clients over the years. I subscribe to all of the Firebase newsletters and read the blog posts, and I summarize what I've learned here on YouTube for your viewing pleasure. These are not adorable cat videos. I can't help that it's programming, but smash that subscribe button anyway. I will make Firebase as riveting as possible and earn your YouTube views.